Hi guys, welcome to a new Photoshop tutorial from Edit with Nat. In this video we are going to have a look at the transform tool, free transform tool in Photoshop. First of all, let's open an image to work with. For example, I'm going to work with the Photoshop logo. To place it into the blue background, we have to copy it by Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl Tab, this tab, and Ctrl V. So if you want to use the transform tool, come up with Edit at the very top at the menu bar, then the free transform, and you will immediately see these little points here at the corners. We have 8 transform points, and you can just double click on the image to get out of it. Now you can also use short keys to do the transformation, or you can click on your keyboard Ctrl T, and they will automatically appear, the points. Now if you drag these corner points, it would be a non-proportionate scale, but if you hold down the shift key while dragging, it will be proportionate. If we move away from one of those in the corner points, we get that the circular icon, which is the rotate tool. So I can rotate my object this way. All these points are basically just scaling, unless if I hold if you hold and shift, it would be a proportionate scale. Now if you right click, you will have a free transform. We are already on it, and the scale, and what we've done was scaling, rotate, skew, distort, perspective, wrap, rotate 180 degree, rotate clockwise, counterclockwise, flip horizontal, flip vertical. We'll dive in those transformations in our upcoming tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe.